One of Paul's main contributions theologically to the Old Testament has to do with his concept of grace. Grace is favor that is given to God, that is given by God to humanity, based, in Paul's way of thinking, on faith. In other words, if you believe in Jesus, then you are saved because of your belief. Now, that's contrary or different from the way that the Jews traditionally had approached the question of God's favor. In the past, in the Old Testament, God's favor was usually related to the extent to which the people followed the Torah or the laws of Moses. If they were obedient, then God showed them favor. God considered them to be righteous. If they were disobedient, then God did not consider them to be righteous. Paul, on the other hand, seems to link righteousness with faith. And he says that this is the case because Abraham, the father of the Jewish people, responded to God in faith when God asked him to leave his land and go to another land which God would show him. Since Abraham responded in faith, therefore, faith must be the path to God considering one to be righteous. That is the example that Paul uses, and part of his logic is that this story of Abraham's faith took place before the law of Moses was given. And in Jewish religion, what is earlier or older is more authoritative than what comes later. So God considering somebody righteous by faith is the earliest and the most authoritative way to be counted righteous by God. And the laws of Moses, which also were talked about in terms of being righteous in God's sight, came later. Therefore, it is not the most original or the most authoritative way to be righteous, according to Paul.